No, we're about to get some ice cream at Rite Aid. It's my boy Oscar. Oscar. Alright, we're about to go fishing right now. Grandpa's pond, he has a bunch of goldfish in there. A few catfish, so I'm gonna try and get them out today. Later. Alright, today I'm catching these goldfish. I have featured these fish in videos, but today I'm catching them. There is a bigger catfish in here that I'm gonna try and catch, but I don't know if everything goes as planned. My grandparents are asleep, and I hope I don't. And I hope that this doesn't bother them. So much fish there. All I'm using is this weight. I'm going to take this weight off later, and I'm using that, so let's see. Alright, he keeps looking at it. Hey, Grandpa. Yeah, I got here not too long ago. Big old bonfire. Just caught a really nice goldfish, about 5 inches. And I'll get back with you. Got a really nice carp with a little bit of orange. Alright, let's get back to fishing. Just got another one. Alright, so my video is shorted out. I don't know where it left off. I'm gonna go really quickly and. They're already ready to go. These are very good looking fish, so I'm just gonna get them in the water. There's one. This one is gorgeous. I think this is the one with the spot, but it's very pretty looking. It's off. This one. I'm not squeezing them tight at all. I'm just have a very good grip. And they're pretty good. So I'll see how much. Ooh, that would have been bad. I almost dropped my phone in the canal. That would have been horrible. Right there. And water's really low, so that's why I was able to see them. You guys too, obviously. So today I think I caught like about a total of, I don't know, 9 fish, several little goldfish. So I was very excited. I got some pictures that I'll throw in, and I'm trying to find them right now. But I think they're gone. They were really healthy when we put them in here, and the water that they were in is exactly the same. So they are actually half koi and half carp. They're just the colorless koi. So I hope to see them. Not hope to see, but like, you know what I mean. All right, well, I'll be out. Weather's really nice. I'm out.